Hello, good day, Huntsman. How are you? My name is Yugesh. I'm the trainer for your Excel BI, Business Intelligence. Okay, according to the request by Huntsman, so I'm doing this video to show you what we will be doing for the training for Excel BI. So I'm going to share my screen in order for you to see what's going to happen for this for the 2 days training. So we will be doing one part of the training. We'll be doing data cleaning. So let's say you receive tons of data, and this data has been not sorted well. There might be duplicate. Okay, so we will be doing under the query editor. We will be doing data cleaning. So in order for me to show you how the query editor works, so you need to go to data, get data, okay, from table range, then this query editor will open up. So when the query editor opens up, okay, say example, this is the query editor. When it opens up, here there is a raw data. These are the raw data from the existing Excel worksheet. So what we need to do is, we need to do a remove duplicate of this query. So during this data cleaning process, there are 12 different sets I have identified, from remove duplicate, adding index, fill blank, and stuff like that. I'll show it to you one by one. So here, if you see one example, I can clearly show to you. Say now you have repeated information. Say you have entry 501, KitKat, Hannah. Okay, we have repeated information like this. So what should I do? I will go in and look out for remove rows with duplicate. Okay, remove rows with duplicate. So when I do this, it will remove all the duplicates from the table. And once we remove duplicate, you can't work anything in this Power Query editor. So you need to close and load these two on an Excel sheet. Then you are able to work on the Power Query editor. So one part of the training is about data cleaning. So what I have under the data cleaning will be remove duplicate, okay, fills the blank, remove special character. These are example. So from here, you turn out to be this. Okay, remove special characters. Then you have changing the letter case, unpivoting columns. That means from this column, turn out to be this. Okay. Then you have remove columns, transpose. Okay, this is one part of our data cleaning. Okay, there's 12 set of example that I've identified. So this is one. Then we have the second one. We'll touch on Power Query Get Transform. Okay, Power Query Get Transform. So usually we will be working on a lot of data. So in my training, during my training, I'll be giving you a set of data that looks like this. Okay, so if you look at this, it comes from 3 different cities: Seattle, Tacoma, and Portland. And you have tons of data, okay, tons of data. From this data, I will do also a query editor method to get transform to a simpler pivot table. Okay, a simple pivot table. Then from pivot table, we can create slices like this. Okay, by month, by city. Okay, we can create slicer by month, by city. Then also we can create pivot chart, okay, or charts from this table. So this is another program, another part of the training. Okay, so this is more to, you take a lot of data, get into this easy and readable information. Another thing is, what if you have more data outside of, what if you have more data outside of this Power Query? So we can add in more Excel sheet into this Power Query. Okay. Then the third example that I can show to you will be a relationship, DEX relationship. That means we learn how to do table-to-table connection. Okay, table-to-table connection. So one example that I have here will be, this is my table that I've loaded into Power Query. It looks like this. Okay, this is the table that I load into Power Query. Then I will prepare a calendar, product ID, and also country, and also country code. Then from the table, we will be able to output product type, all the product type that we have. Okay, all the product type we have. So this is a slicer. Okay, so the most important part is, how do we add this into our data model? I will be guiding you on how to add products into our data model. So when you add products into data model, okay, it will turn out to be in this format. Okay, this is Excel's data model format. Okay, then we will learn how to do a relationship between table to table. Okay, we'll learn how to do relationship from table to table. So by doing this, participants, okay, will able to utilize their Excel data in their day-to-day work, and also make things easy. Okay, that's the reason it is called Excel Power or Excel BI, Business Intelligence. Okay, using this, part of this is three examples I've given you. One will be data cleaning, Power Query editor, and also adding to data model. So by doing this, we will be able to sort out a tons of data. Okay, we will be working on a lot of examples. From that examples, how do we simplify our work on a day-to-day basis? Thank you and have a wonderful day.